Hi, Dr. Marianne here. I'm so excited to finally do another video. It's been a while. I have been tutoring an amazing gal from home, but actually on Zoom. I'm at home. She's on Zoom. And we're just having some great results. She's advancing really quickly. And also 4 teachers from Montgomery, Pennsylvania just received CEUs. They went through my training program. And I'm so excited to see how their students advance and also to see how these teachers advance with these tools. One of the questions they had for me was, could you actually send some footage of actual training with a student? And when I've been doing this over the past 5 years, I work with parents who really don't want their students videoed, and it's unfortunate. I can't do that because there's that privacy that I have to honor. But anybody could always reach out to me and I can do a training with them if you want to see what it feels like. And because I'm not this huge organization where I have, cameramen and, a staff that has their own children that we could tutor. That's not what I'm about. So I don't have the footage to actually share with you, but I'll tell you, these kids are making some great progress. And I'm in about 21 sessions with one student. And I just want to show you some of the phonogram cards we've advanced to. So I have already taught how the TCH goes at the end of a 1-syllable word, and the T protects the short vowel. We just introduced qu. The U in qu is not considered a vowel. It's part of the sound together, the phoneme qu. CK at the end of a 1-syllable word. ING could be a part of a word like sing, or it could be the suffix singing. Then we have DGE, which also the D is a protector of a short vowel. If you have a word like judge or fudge, 1-syllable words, versus J, which is the letter J. Then we have plurals for, so what about socks? And what about boxes? So we teach the different plural. And with this student, I'm also teaching subject and verb agreement, and which is really cool because we could have cat's bowl, or we could have the one cat eats, or 2 cats. One cat eats, or 2 cats eat. So we really have to be careful how we, it's strategic how we teach the plurals with our nouns, and then subject verb agreement. So this is what is available in our reading program. Now look at this. This is a consonant LE word, like bubble. So this will be bull. And how you mark that or code it, you would say consonant LE, count back 3. And we also call it a turtle syllable word if you want to use the animal syllable types. So dull, full, coal like kettle, gull like snuggle, zull like sizzle, toll like kettle, pull like apple. Now look at this full and compare it to full. So this is a suffix like helpful, plentiful, plateful, whereas this is a consonant LE word, full. So dyslexic kids need to explicitly be taught this. A non-dyslexic student could understand that pretty easily and just their brain sorts it, but a dyslexic child needs to have explicit instruction. So we have pictures that go with each of these endings. Then we have the double E for cheek. We have A that says the sound of like about, alarm, adopt, among, afford, alone. So it's it's not A and it's not it's ish, which could be in the word fish, or it could be used in the word foolish. So they have to learn ish. So I have it two ways, or two different colors for two different methods, and then or skills. And est, smartest. This is our superlative. Instead of smarter, they're going to be the smartest kids in the class. So we have workbooks that support these skills, and we have a phonics reader, which supports these skills. And the phonics reader really works on the auditory and visual processing skills, so deficits, and fills those learning gaps in. I really want to reach out to you to reach out to me. Urge you to reach out to me, because I'm having a special until June 1st. I'm offering the entire program, the training videos, the digital files, and the hard copies mailed to you in the United States for only $7.99. And typically these could run for $2,500 or $2,000, depending on the packages that you have chosen. But also want to share that I'm going to be receiving a grant to work with the school district locally. So I've been hiring tutors, recruiting tutors to be hired soon to work with some students that are at risk, struggling. And if that would interest you for your school, please reach out to me. I work on Zoom. It just helps with traffic. You don't have to fight the traffic, and students can learn beautifully on Zoom, and it works with their busy schedules. And I'm just so excited. I'm showing up. That's the first step to being successful. You got to show up. So I'm showing up again, letting you know what promotions we're having, and tell you a little bit more about the program in case you want more details. You can always reach out to me and let's have a discovery call. I can demonstrate for you some of the use of sound circles, or how we use our plastic letters. And even I can demonstrate some of the phonics reader for you or the workbook. So the spelling app is free, CDSM. Find it on Android or iOS. And I hope to hear from you soon. You can reach me at 626-664-9392, or Dyslexia Solutions, Step-by-Step Dyslexia Solutions is the website. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye now.